Again, this is Nicole Christie from the Christie Law Firm. And one things I want to talk to you about, we've been talking about staycations and vacations and how to go away safely and how to stay home and have fun. But I wanted to talk to you about doing nothing, just nothing. Sometimes we get up and we are so driven. I read all kinds of productivity articles and all kinds of things that tell me go, do. Sometimes we just need to do nothing. I remember as a kid, we would watch TV and my mom would walk by, and if she saw us watching TV, the first time she went by, she'd say nothing. And then when she saw us watching TV, the second time she went by, she'd say, turn off the TV and go find something to do. And at times that's been embedded in my system, but then I realized there is the beauty and art of sometimes doing nothing. Clearing your head, just enjoying the day as it comes, and even having the kids just relax. Saturday morning, just relax. Tuesday morning, just relax. Find time to enjoy your surroundings without feeling like you have to get something done. Sometimes things will just come up. Sometimes you'll be able to have the time and the freedom to have free, open conversations with your kids. You have no idea what's going on in their heads until some moment they become chatty Cathys and you're like, wait, I didn't know you were thinking about that. So just enjoy the moment sometimes that we have and do nothing. You don't have to have a plan all the time. You don't have to have an agenda all the time. Just get up and do nothing. All right, so enjoy your families this weekend. Find something to do or not do, whatever the choice may be, but try to have some fun with your family first. And so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Click down below and also like and share this video and leave us some comments about what you do with your families for fun or those days that you do nothing. Tell us about that. Take care.